Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to explain the difference between the CAPCUT regular version with the CAPCUT Pro version. What is different between those two? Just take a look at this video. Open your CAPCUT. If you still haven't upgraded your CAPCUT into the Pro version, it could be the same with me, so let's just check what it will be happened. So here I already have the text on my project. You can see here I already have the project. So if you can take a look, here is quite normal. Great, it's really normal. So how we can see that either our CAPCUT is Pro or a regular version? The easiest way is you just need to open the effects. Why? Because in this effects you can see what you can access and what you can't access. So if you are in a regular version, the only effect that you can use or apply into your video is the effects which have no Pro sign or symbol on it. So you only able to use this. Whenever you try to use this, it could be still applying into your video. Let's just try it by click this checklist button. But then if you can see on the top side before you export it, there could be a Pro symbols on the top side here. You still have these beautiful effects on your video, but let's try to save it. You'll see you cannot save it. Why? Because your CAPCUT account or CAPCUT application is still in regular version, it's not Pro. So if you want to get this, you need to upgrade into the Pro versions, and that is the easiest way, the way how you can check your CAPCUT version, either it's regular or Pro. And there could be another else. So if you know that your CAPCUT also able to create a GIF here, so you can just let's check it, make it shorter first, and take a look on this side, tap on it. And then there could be a GIF option there. Just go tap it. If you want to create a best quality of GIF, there could be like 320p and 640p. But then this two is in a Pro version. So whenever you tap on it, you still have a chance to get a GIF in a good quality, but you cannot save it. So if you want to save the good quality of GIF, you need to upgrade your Pro version. So if you want to still have a GIF here, you just need to use the standard one, because this is the only resolution that provided by the CAPCUT for free version or regular version. Now let's just check the quality that you have for the free versions. So this is the GIF that you just create. You can see that it's quite blurry. So if you are working with the CAPCUT a lot, it's better to upgrade your CAPCUT application into the Pro version. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you see like confused, just tap into the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel for more tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.